Yeah, this is October something. It's Saturday, 13th, 14th, 15th, somewhere in there. Ever have one of those days when you got a little job you want to do? You think, well, I'll take, an hour, maybe an hour and 30 minutes on a bad day, and it ends up taking the whole damn day. Well, that's what happened to me today. New winch, 12,000 pound Harbor Freight special. You can't beat their price, and their winches are pretty damn good. And I was going to get another John Deere 1250. The man said the engine was seized up, which didn't bother me too much. He forgot to mention all the high dollar parts already been stripped off the tractor, and weather check tires on the rear, no oil in the drain pan, fuel filters missing, so I gotta assume that the injection pump was trash. Anyway, when I went to go look at it, I put this winch on because they're going to have to winch it onto the trailer, and got over there and came back with an empty trailer. It just is beyond help. No, it's scrap iron. So anyway, what I've been doing, I just put the battery in the back of the pickup, and then I got to tie it down, and kind of inconvenient. I said, well, I'll just make me a little tray to put a battery box in. Well, 3 hours later, this is what we got. Amazon $11 battery box, ventilated. Pretty much like the one I got over there on my travel trailer, believe it or not. So since it's ventilated, if the cover's on, it's going to get water on the inside. So I got 4 drain holes on the inside, so the water will drain back out, let the yellow jackets and red wasps in to build their nest. And I got some drain holes on my tray bottom. It's a 1/8 inch plate steel. It was a piece of off fall I had at work. Cut it out with my little plasma cutter. This is 2 by 2 by 1/8 inch angle. Had some of that at work too. And didn't go all the way across for a 2 battery setup. I don't see where I'm going to be winching all that much. So I just went with a single battery setup. Took all day. That's all there is to it. Don't know why. I was making good progress, but it took all damn day. I also primed the bottom of it, and it's welded up pretty good. All I have to do is hold the damn battery. And it's my little opening where I put the plate. It's perfectly square. I was kind of proud of that. Weld quality is okay. It's holding the battery. Like over there, there's a cinch strap to hold that cover on. I always get deals on these little ratchet straps, little 1-inch ones. They're dirt cheap. So I just cut the strap down one of those. I use it. I got a wireless remote for the winch. Plan was put that on, mess around with tractors a little bit, make some kind of stand for my new cultipacker, and that didn't work out. Time I got up here, it was about 12 o'clock. Went to Home Depot first. Got some heaters for this winter, little well house heaters. People know what those are. And little 30-inch direct drive for this barn. Another air compressor like I got in the other barn. I can move this thing back and forth in a front end loader bucket. I got a sneaking suspicion one of these days it's going to fall out of that bucket and get torn up. They're not expensive, but they ain't cheap either. So instead of me tearing one up, just bought another one, put it in this barn over here. And as soon as I got up here, put bulldozer batteries on a charger. They've been charging up all day. Little 1250, had it on a charger all day. It's showing, a second. You probably can't see the gauge. Little smart charger. It's showing it's about 90% charge, but it's still charging at 3.7 amps. It'll be another hour or two before I go home, so I might just leave it on the charger. Don't hurt. Old Dozer didn't run much this year at all. Those batteries are ancient, but they are taking a charge. So, you can almost tell that I mowed, but also looks like it needs to be mowed again. Lots of hog damage in my food plots. But my seed did germinate and is coming up. A little green carpet down there. Deer's getting into it too, so I was doing what I planted them for. Opening weekend, 2 or 3 Saturdays from now, so it's coming up. There's that little fan. Oh, buy something new. I've been trying to remember to take a paint marker and mark when I got it. Try to keep stuff straight. But yeah, simple little 4 pieces of angle iron and a piece of plate all damn day, it seemed like. But it turned out nice. But damn, all day. So anyway, I guess I'm getting slower. It ain't gonna fall off, I know that. It's gonna serve its purpose. Put the battery in the box, be done with it. So anyway, I got more stuff to clean up and put away. Might go down and sit in the blind, try and shoot some more of these damn hogs. Keep tearing everything up here. That's about all for this one. Thank you.